How to create a payroll spreadsheet in Excel. Here is the name of the employee and his basic salary. Here we will take out the DA of 10% of basic salary. So we will put is equals to basic salary multiply 10%. And if we enter, then DA will be taken out. If we take out HRA of 15%, then we will take it out in the same way, is equals to basic salary multiply 15%. And if we enter, then HRA is also there. Then we will take out gross salary. We will total these three. Basic salary of DA and HRA. We will select all three like this. We will press Alt equal to button. Auto sum will be there. Sum formula will be there. Then we will take out PF of 5%. Basic salary multiply 5%. PF will be taken out. How will net salary be taken out? Gross salary minus PF is equals to gross salary minus PF. If we enter, then PF will be there. Then we will select all three like this. If we double click, then salary of all three will be there.